Every day, billions of people lose hours stuck in traffic. It's one of the most expensive problems in modern cities. What if the solution to traffic wasn't more roads, but no roads at all? Beneath our feet, under the chaos of city life, a new world is being carved, silently, fast, and invisible. Not trains, but a system of underground tunnels where cars move at high speed, efficiency, and zero traffic.
This is the vision of Elon Musk, the world's richest man, who believes the future of transportation lies beneath the surface. But is this the next great leap in urban mobility, or just another ambitious experiment? Imagine descending beneath a city, leaving behind noise, traffic, and chaos, and entering a silent tunnel where vehicles move at incredible speed. This vision is already taking shape. The story begins in 2016, when Elon Musk was frustrated by Los Angeles traffic. He posted a simple message online: "Traffic is driving me nuts. I am going to build a tunnel boring machine and just start digging." What sounded like a joke became a company. In 2017, the Boring Company was officially launched. Its mission? To revolutionize transportation by creating a network of underground tunnels, what Musk calls a 3D transportation system. Instead of expanding roads horizontally, the idea is to go vertical, stacking layers of tunnels beneath cities. At the core of the concept is something called the loop system. Electric vehicles enter tunnels through compact stations and travel at speeds of up to 150 miles per hour. No traffic lights, no intersections, no congestion. Unlike traditional subway systems, loop tunnels are smaller, cheaper, and faster to build. Passengers ride in electric cars, often Tesla self-driving vehicles, moving point to point with minimal stops.
Their machines, nicknamed Godot and Proofrock, are engineered to dig continuously with minimal downtime. The goal is to make tunneling not just viable, but economically disruptive. The vision didn't stay theoretical. In 2021, the first operational system opened beneath the Las Vegas Convention Center. Known as the Vegas Loop, it transports passengers across the massive convention campus in minutes. Riders descend into sleek underground stations, board electric vehicles, and glide through illuminated tunnels at surprising speed. For many, the experience feels futuristic, almost surreal.
There's a unique aesthetic to these tunnels, a blend of industrial engineering and futuristic simplicity. The ride itself is quiet, controlled, and efficient. No honking, no gridlock, no chaos. It's a glimpse into what urban travel could feel like: calm, predictable, and fast. One of the biggest selling points is cost. Traditional subway systems can cost up to $1 billion per mile. The Boring Company claims it can reduce that drastically. Smaller tunnels mean less excavation, less material, lower costs.
Despite its promise, the project faces serious challenges: urban regulations, safety concerns, emergency evacuation in tunnels, and the sheer complexity of underground infrastructure. Some experts question whether car-based tunnels can match the efficiency of mass transit systems. And then there's the question of adoption. Will cities invest in this system at scale?
Elon Musk's vision goes far beyond Las Vegas. Plans have been proposed for cities across the United States and beyond. The ultimate goal? A vast underground network connecting entire urban regions. Fast, autonomous, seamless. A world where traffic simply disappears. But turning that vision into reality will require more than innovation. It will demand trust, investment, and time.
If this is your first time here, hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications.